Communication VIP.
And Vincent Phipps is a standout every year. I met Vincent several years ago when I was president of Knoxville American Marketing Association. He came and spoke to our group then. And this is at least my third time to get to see him. So you know something's good if it's a repeat, and a voluntary repeat. So he always imparts a lot of wisdom. His sense of humor is unique to Vincent, and it's enough to drive miles and miles or fly across the states for. So if you haven't had a chance to see Vincent Phipps, you're missing out on a great experience.
I'm really excited to hear him speak today. I went and Googled him, and I saw that he had an automobile accent, and I like this idea of overcoming obstacles by speaking with people. If you can communicate, you can do it without confrontation, which is going to be a big help with us working with our people, with our board, and with our community. Excited to hear him speak today.
Are you looking for energy? Are you looking for fun? Are you looking to amplify your skill set? Get Amplified with Vincent Ivan Phipps. Communication VIP.